Thank you very much, Chairman Klein. I want to thank Congresswoman Davis for offering this important amendment. Oregon is one of the pilot states for the summer EBT program, and it's been a big success. The research is clear that this program is effective at helping children get the food they need and at combating food insecurity. In Oregon last year, the summer EBT program increased access to food for more than 47,000 children, many of whom live in the state's most rural counties. Some of those are in my district. Oregon plans to add about 19,000 more children to the program this summer. I've heard from a mother of 2 in Oregon who shared her experience with the summer EBT program. She said this: "There were months when I would skip meals to make sure that my children had enough to eat. Sometimes even my oldest would have to wait to eat until her little sister was full, then she would eat and then I would eat. That's no way to live for a child or for anybody. Fruits and vegetables used to be those things that I had to let go. Now I could budget enough with the summer EBT money to get the fresh veggies and fruit. They'd be gobbled up in days." And I assure every one of my colleagues that that mother would very much like to be able to provide that food to her children on her own. She's living in tough times. Given the remarkable success of the summer EBT program and its ability to target support to low-income families in America's rural communities, it doesn't make sense to restrict the program, to reduce funding, and deny states flexibility to administer the program. I'm pleased that this amendment makes a reasonable investment in the program. We know that food insecurity among children spikes in the summer months, and we know that the summer EBT program makes it possible for low-income families to feed their children healthy meals while school is out of session. I'm also pleased that this amendment empowers states to administer the program in a way that will make it most successful. States should have the option to use the electronic benefit transfer system that works for their communities. Some may operate the assistance through the SNAP program. Other states may use WIC. The federal government should give the states that flexibility to choose. I have seen the summer EBT program work in Oregon. It helps families who are struggling to make ends meet put food on the table for their children during the summer months, and importantly, as that mother pointed out, healthy food. It doesn't take too long to figure out that it is the inexpensive food that is not as healthy, and the healthier food can be more expensive. And that's why this program is so important, so that kids can get a healthy start and the cycle of poverty can be broken. So again, every parent I've spoken with would like to be able to provide food to their children. Many of them are unemployed, had unexpected bills, healthcare problems, lost their job. This is an important program to help the most innocent young children eat in the summer and again, break that cycle of poverty. So thank you, Mrs. Davis, for this amendment. I support it to strengthen, not weaken, the summer EBT program, and I ask my colleagues to do the same. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I yield back.